Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sarat AI Wali. I am a teacher training student at Rehan School, Lahore. Today we are going to explore the future of learning by Sugata Mitra, a thought-provoking idea about how technology can transform education. Sugata Mitra challenges traditional teaching methods and encourages learners to become more curious, independent, and self-directed. Today, I'm going to share my review for the future of learning by Sugata Mitra. This topic gives us a different way of thinking about education and asks an important question: what will learning look like in the future? Sugata Mitra is well known for his ideas about self-directed learning and the role of technology in education. His message is especially relevant today because students have access to information through the internet, computers, smartphones, and AI tools. His main idea. The main idea is that learning does not always have to happen through traditional classrooms where a teacher gives information and students simply memorize it. Mitra believes that when students are given access to technology, opportunities to explore, and interesting questions to solve, they can learn independently. This changes the role of the teacher instead of being only a person who provides answers. The teachers can become a guide, mentor, and facilitator who encourage students to ask better questions. For technology and learning, Mitra can. One of the strongest points in this idea is the power of technology. Today's a student can search for information, watch educational videos, use online courses, communicate with experts, and use AI tools to understand difficult concepts. This means learning to no longer limited to a textbook or a classroom. However, technology itself is not the complete solution. Students also need digital literacy, critical thinking, creativity, and the ability of identify reliable information. Another important message is curiosity. When students are curious, they naturally want to discover answers. Instead of asking students only to memorize facts, educators can give them meaningful questions and challenges. For example, instead of simply teaching students about climate change, a teacher could ask, what can we do in our school to reduce environmental problems? Students can research, discuss ideas, work together, and present their solutions. This type of learning can make education more engaging and meaningful. I think one of the most important ideas is that the future of education does not mean the end of teachers, rather, the teacher's role may change. A future teacher may spend less time simply delivering information and more time helping students develop confidence, creativity, communication, collaboration, and problem solving skills. Teachers can create the right environment, ask powerful questions, support students, and help them use technology responsibly. So, technology may not replace teachers, it can help teachers become even more effective. And in my opinion, Sugata Mitra's ideas are very inspiring because they encourage use they encourage us to rethink traditional education. One one major strength is the focus on independent learning. Students should not always wait for someone to give them every answer. They should learn how to explore and find answers themselves. Another strength is the focus on collaboration. Students can learn from one another, share ideas, and solve problems together. However, I also believe there needs to be a balance. Not every student has equal access to technology, and not every online source is trustworthy. Therefore, teachers and educational institutions still have an important responsibility. To conclude, the future of learning by Sugata Mitra presents a powerful vision of education where curiosity, technology, cooperation, and self directed learning become increasingly important. The future classrooms may not simply be a place where teachers give information and students memorize it. It can become a place where students ask questions, explore ideas, solve problems, cooperation, and create new knowledge. For me, the biggest lesson is simple. The future of learning is not just about having better technology, it is about creating better learners. If we can combine technology with great teachers, curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking, we can create an education system that prepares students not only for exam but for the real world. Thank you for watching this and listen to my review. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.